Sasa nabuya na ngizoyisola kanje. Sasa nabuya na ngizoyisola kanje. Sasa nabuya na zila kusasa nabuya nje ngizoyisola kanje. So we kuyiphinda njosihamba la ngiyabatshela uma ngibethekisa abantu balayikhaya bafuna ngoba nani yenza izinto ngendlela engayo le yokuthatha izinto really niphambi bokuhamba ngamagameni hayi liyasima uyafika yonke ufika isikhathi sonke ngizona bokuhamba abanalutho noma even passport ke ufika abanayo banama-stands kanjani yabona ukuthi kanjalo siyaqhubeka so yeni nabala ekhaya siyilungisa ngendlela nakhona kusho ukuthi uma wala ekhaya lothenga noma yikuphi fanele la umakele khona uthengisele khona awuvele nje mawubona indawo usiyabe usiyathenga vele sithe masters noma bala ekhaya kube ngibona benzani abasebenzayo okudlula bokuhamba
and abantwana bethu futhi abasebenzi abanamsebenzi bafuna bathi lo stand nakho
kodwa into engisho ukuthi ngiyayithatha iy'tende seninika iy'tende ngifisane ngazo mina
abasebenzi abantwana bethu abanamsebenzi
so ngicela besilinde until afike u-mmc omunye ngisibone from lapho ke siyabona uya la kusasa ekuseni sobe sila na next day sobe sila until you get it right. We're going to have the MPT stations here to keep and sustain the order on the streets.
Good afternoon, Mpakati. This is in Bogotos. We remove those street vendors. We remove them. And then please, I think tomorrow they are not coming back because SPA is paying.
I hope Bogota, this cleaning thing, Joburg is maintained throughout, man, after G20, guys, because tell me why it looks so good and clean right now. Aye, bafethu. Inkinga ilabantu abahlala lana eTradini laba yazi. Kenze yazi thina we are very clean, man. We are very clean people. Sesimoshwa nje ukuthi ama municipal offices wethu yiwa ngaclean lapho fanele sibekhona. Guys, tell me why ukuthi khona manje since sezwile ukuthi G20 years, Joburg is looking much more peaceful and much more clean. You know, it's a Carlton Center khona manje and everything looks like it's in order. I mean, you know, Carlton Center. If I want to shows, if you want to make it clean, we can make it clean, you know, wait. Honestly speaking, you know, there's still a lot to do, and even you guys from outside, please, man, clean up after yourselves. Put things in the trash. Like, this is as simple as that.